So students, let us discuss now about the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. So students, we all know that how Jesus died. He died by being nailed to a cross, which is called crucifixion. But the reason why Jesus was crucified according to history is that in the Roman Empire, when Christianity became very much popular and people wanted to adopt Christianity, it became a problematic situation for the leaders of the Roman Empire. They thought Jesus was actually, by propagating this new religion, was provoking people of Roman Empire to rebel against the state. That is why Jesus was ordered to be crucified. But there was another theory to Jesus' death, which is believed according to Christianity, that Jesus Christ died on the cross for our sins. Sins here means bad work, that all the bad work we have done, the humans have done, Jesus Christ have taken over him and sacrificed his life. This theory is believed according to Christianity. Now students, according to the Bible, after the death of Jesus Christ once again came back. He was brought back to life once again. This occasion, according to the Bible, is called resurrection. Now students, in Christianity there are two most important festivals. One is Easter and another is Christmas. So students, when we just talk about resurrection, that is the day when Jesus was, after his death, was once again brought back to life. To celebrate the coming back of Jesus Christ, Easter is celebrated. That is, Easter is the day when Jesus was resurrected. And Easter was celebrated in the month of March or April. And there is a symbolic expression in Easter which is celebrated with Easter eggs. Easter eggs is actually common eggs decorated with beautiful colors and designs, and each symbolizes new life. Here new life, why? Because on that day Jesus got another life after his death. That is why Easter eggs symbolizes new life, and it is kept in every Easter occasion. And there is another occasion which we all know, which is very popular, that is Christmas, and is celebrated to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December every year, and on that occasion Christmas trees are decorated and we share Christmas cakes with family members and friends. We also went to church to pray, and Christmas is celebrated thus to mark the birth of Jesus Christ.